Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone flash light not working issue solved. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, you need to open settings, scroll down, tap on general and tap on restart your device. Tap on shutdown and restart your device and enter your passcode. Now tap on transfer or reset iPhone setting. Tap on reset all settings and enter your passcode. So doing reset all network settings. And after this go back. Now tap on software update and update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And after this go back. And after this go back and check your problem and fix your issue. Your problem will be fixed. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.